After we confirm the patterns with size and colors, our professional teams will design the patterns for you. After we confirm the final design, this machine will help you integrate the patterns according to your size.